One morning, habang nagbe-breakfast ako with my usual coffee and toast, I stumbled upon this video by Simon Sinek. And naalala ko tong story na shinare niya. And honestly, it made me pause mid-bite. So, it really got me reflecting deeply na I had this aha moment while I was just trying to enjoy my eggs. So, let me share the story with you. So, Simon Sinek and his friend, they joined this charity fund run. And habang nasa registration area sila, they saw this table na may nakalagay na sign, free bagels. So anyone can grab one. But the only catch is, sobrang haba ng pila. And as they were looking at the situation, his friend said, the line's too long, it's not worth it. But Simon Sinek, on the other hand, he just smiled and said, yeah, the line is long, but free bagels? So both of them were there. Both of them were hungry. And both of them had the same access. But the only difference is they saw things through completely different lenses. So if we're gonna compare, his friend saw the obstacle, the inconvenience, the effort, the waiting. Sobrang haba ng pila, I don't want to take the risk. But Simon Sinek, he saw the opportunity, the reward, the experience, and the value. Gusto niyang makuha yung free bagel. And you know what? That story stuck with me because it got me thinking, isn't life kind of like that sometimes? It's all about perspective. So, how many times have we missed out on an opportunity because we are so focused too much on the obstacles instead of what we could gain? It made me reflect, what lens am I using in my life? Preview.
Hey, hey, hey! What's up everyone? Welcome to L&D Confession. Paano kaya? Kung saan chill lang ang usapan pero solid ang insight. Our topic for today came from one of our employees. So thank you to our anonymous sender. So sabi niya, paano kaya or can you share tips to be consistent sa pag-continuously improve when it comes to widening your mindset, critical thinking, and etc.
Ayan, so let's start with the basic debts. In your own words, ano para sa'yo yung mindset?
Ano miss, yung sineset mo yung mind mo. Ayun, yun yung mindset. Hindi, mindset is how you think, kumbaga, or yung paniniwala mo sa sarili mo sa kaya
Mm-mm.
mong gawin or kasi 'di ba miss, may tinatawag tayong growth and fixed mindset. So, pag sinabi
Yes.
nating growth mindset, ito yung gusto mo pang matuto or for example, knowledgeable ka na sa mga ibang bagay pero gusto mo pang matutunan ano pa ba yung mga or parang gusto mong mag-deep dive pa doon sa
Mhm.
mga informations na yon. And once na sinabi natin na fixed mindset naman, ito yung hanggang dito na lang.
So similar yan sa focus natin because whenever we focus on possibility and optimism rather than just, the barriers. Kasi yung perspective na yon, it would really empower people to act even in imperfect situation, 'di ba?
Oo, miss, may tissue ka ba? Na parang dumugo yung nag-nosebleed ata ako dun. So ulit nga miss yung puwedeng Tagalog naman. Hindi,
Ay
joke lang
naku,
'no.
ang hirap.
Pero ikaw miss, where do you lean more sa growth mindset and fixed mindset?
I think in my own journey bets, it's clear that I lean towards a growth mindset. Kasi no matter how difficult things get, I always tell myself there's room to grow. I can do this. For example, I used to struggle with public speaking, especially nung nag-start pa lang ako sa career ko. Like, sobrang kabado talaga every time na kailangan ko mag-present or kumausap ng mga tao na hindi ko kilala.
Mm.
But during that phase, instead of saying this isn't for me, I told myself maybe I just need more practice. So I just started saying yes to small opportunities and eventually I became more confident. That
Oh.
belief that's I feel like I can still improve. It really helped me move forward. So Sometimes it's really tough, mahirap talaga, but it's truly, I think, valuable to recognize where you can grow. Yung mga small mindset shift na ginagawa natin, it would really make you more open, or me rather, more
Mm.
open, more collaborative, and in the end, mas nagiging fulfilled ako. And
Ah, sana all.
nakakainis
Papasana all na lang talaga
yung,
ako.
yung last one, no?
Mm.
And I think another thing it's important is aside from your mindset that's you also need to take in consideration the attitude, 'di ba?
Mm.
Kasi attitude is how you show up. Like paano ka makisama, paano ka mag-handle ng pressure, o kaya kung paano ka mag-react sa different types of feedback.
Yes, miss. Kasi number one talaga, attitude na kahit gaano ka kagaling, kung ma-attitude or ma-attitude ka, parang ah, permanent thunderstorm yan. Kasi sabihin natin na
Totoo.
magaling ka, yes, magaling ka, pero ma-attitude ka nga. So parang binabawi din yung mismong performance mo. And
Correct.
yung office mate lang na laging 10 out of 10 or 10 over 10 sa skills pero 0 over 10 sa vibes or parang talagang siya na yung naging stress level talaga. So, 'di ba miss, yung parang gusto mo siyang lapitan pero ay wag na, ma-attitude ka. So,
Mm.
hanap na lang ako ng iba, parang gano'n.
sino, sino yan?
Wala,
Sino
wala
yan?
siya dito miss. Nung
Okay.
previous yan.
Okay,
Linawin ko
okay.
lang po sa mga listeners natin. Sa previous company po yan. Baka mamaya may ma-receive na akong love letter.
Totoo.
Ayun.
Ayan. Pero I think dun sa narinig kong story from you, that's no, hindi talaga may iwasan na may mga ganong ka-office mates tayo. Naalala ko nga yung sinabi ng boss ko before, lalaki to, sobrang hilig niya sa
Mm.
basketball, na you can be LeBron James of your job, pero kung lagi kang galit or mahilig ka sa drama, ay goodbye teamwork ka talaga. So grabe
Oo.
nung sinabi niya sa akin yun. Parang relatable talaga siya.
Miss. Parang ano, since basketball, parang na-technical foul siya doon sa mismong
True.
attitude niya. Parang ganun. O kaya
Mm.
na-eject siya doon sa mismong game. And meron akong office mate din pa rin
Ayan na
dati. Ayan,
naman.
dati. Oo, miss.
Sino na naman
Sa
yan?
previous ulit na company ko.
Okay.
Ayan. Wala dito. Baka dalawang love letter na yung ma-receive ko dito. So, dati kasi miss is may tinatawag kaming Mr. Brilliant Ideas. O, di ba? Ang ganda ng code name niya. So, ang ganda, lagi ng presentation niya, like, yung pang TED Talks vibes. Ayan.
Wow.
So sobrang ganda talaga. Pero yung attitude is parang siya yung kontrabida sa mga team buildings, activities na for example, meron kaming sinasuggest na ganitong activities. However, siya is laging sinasabi niya, no, mas maganda na yung ganitong idea, parang ganyan.
Mm.
So, yun. So, parang every meeting, parang may plot twist, villain reveal. So, sa isang meeting, nandito yung mga bida pero may kontrabida pala,
Wow.
parang ganyan. Ayan. So, ano lang, parang nakakapagod yung energy. Parang gusto mo na lang na mag-commercial break.
Ayan. Pero syempre, I think if we talk about real talk din, hindi talaga madaling maging positive all the time eh. Kasi minsan, hindi healthy yung environment or
Mm.
nakaka-drain yung workload, sobrang daming requests, 'di ba? Hindi siya maiiwasan. I think it's a very valid emotion.
Marami talagang task na laging ginagawa. And oo, lalo na kapag sabay-sabay, yan, sabay-sabay tayo,
Tayo!
itaas ang kamay. Ayan, ang bigat minsan. So, we limit ourselves without knowing it.
Yes, and kaya I think that's mahalaga din ang self-awareness. So kapag medyo pagod na yung utak mo, ako ang ginagawa ko, I really just hit the pause and ask myself, Teka, is this perspective helping me or is it holding me back? Sometimes I also ask myself, wait lang, masyado ba akong focus dun sa problema? Like, hello, asan ba yung solusyon? Hello, solution, where you
Eh,
at? Yeah. And then, third question that I also ask myself is, what can I tweak next time para hindi na ganito ulit? Di ba?
Aw,
Di ba?
puro hugot
And
ata yun, miss.
kaya nga eh. But ang maganda kasi doon, every time I ask myself those questions, it also helped me think about what really matters. And what I can share to you are some stuff that worked for me before. So, very simple tips lang. Pero
Mm.
sobrang life-changing vibes talaga siya for me. So maybe it's something that could also help you or our listeners with the tips that I would be sharing. So I think the first one, that's is you really need to widen your perspective. So it's like algorithm, right? So you expose yourself to new inputs. And how do you expose yourself? So it can be as simple as reading different types of books. You listen to podcasts, or if naboboard ka doon, pwede kang chumika, di ba? Chika sa other teams. And then after that, boom, different perspectives or viewpoints na agad yung ma-unlock mo. Yeah, so that's number one. And I think another thing that worked for me is I really do practice self checks. I always ask myself which part of my attitude are thriving and which ones needs a reboot. So you always start small. Sabi nga ni James Clear sa Atomic Habits,
Mm.
1% better every day. 'Di ba?
Wow. Akin kasi miss yung practice self-check ko ano eh. Asan
Ano?
kayong susi ko? Asan yung wallet ko? Ibang self-check na pala yun.
Nakakalimutan na. Lagot
Oh,
ka sa asawa
makakalimutin
mo.
na ako.
Ayan. And then I think third is this is something that I've learned from my boss, my current boss right now, Miss
Mm.
Mao. Lagi niya sinasabi, respond, don't react. So every time that you feel triggered, what you need to do is you need to breathe. Hinga ka lang, okay? Huwag ka ma-high blood agad. Keep your emotions in check. Ayan. And then last na talaga, Dets, pagbigyan mo na ako.
Sige lang, miss.
pagbigyan mo na ako. I think
Nakakapag-antay naman ako eh.
I think yung last part for me is you can also document your growth. This is also something that Miss Mao has shared with me that I've
Mm.
carried since last year. So for her, she mentioned that journaling really helps for her. So sa akin, I haven't really tried to journal before, but when I did, I started lang dun sa notes app sa iPhone. And then afterwards, nagkaroon ng changes. So binalikan ko siya. And when I
Mm.
read it this year, sabi ko, grabe, ang lala nito for me last year. Last year lang yun ah. It's only months. But look at me now. Mas malala. De, joke lang. Better na.
Ayun.
Ayun. So those are the four things that work for me. Syempre, hindi lang pwedeng ako yung mag-share, di ba? Ikaw, Dets, ano ba ang mga patips mo dyan?
Actually, miss, ang gusto ko yung mga sinabi mo and doon sa part na sinabi nyo kanina, ang lala pala nung last year. Ako
Mm.
kasi hindi lang nung last year eh. Nung last year pa hanggang ngayon malala pa rin ako.
Ay,
Ayun.
grabe.
Feeling ko walang nagbabago sa akin. Ganun pa rin. Joke. Ayan. So ako naman miss is here what works for me. So number one or meron lang akong dalawa. Yan. Kasi
Mhm.
nag-share ka na ng apat eh.
Oh,
Ayan.
sorry
So
naman.
and then for me miss is siguro number one sa akin is celebrate effort, not just result. So kahit hindi perfect yung mga nagiging outcome, if you're making progress naman, so that's already a win. So celebrate every little step forward. So alam naman
Mhm.
natin, 'di ba? Napanood mo mabis yung nasa ano sa Facebook yung babae. Sabi niya, success ka eh. Step by the step sumakses ka eh. Sabi niya. Sabi ko, napapanood mo ba
Sumakses
yun,
ka
miss?
eh. Oo.
Oo, yun. So, ayan. So, celebrate mo lang yung mga small wins natin. And also, second is surround yourself with minded people. And energy and
Correct.
attitude are supposed super contagious. So when you're around uplifting people, so it's easier to grow. Ayun. Sabihin natin na sobrang down ka, sobrang stress mo sa work. So parang everyday uh, may pa-motivation coach pa, 'di ba? So ang ganda naman, 'di ba?
Motivational quotes, parang tayo
Hmm.
lang, 'no?
Yes. Kailangan mong
Ayun.
i-motivate yung sarili mo.
Yes, parang it really depends on you kung magsa-start
Mm.
ka or hindi. Kaya, attitude and mindset talaga, it's like kanina pagkain, pero ngayon it's
Mm.
like your daily vitamins. Ang dami ang dami ng
Dami ng
analogy. Kasi the reason why I said that, kasi if you really take them consistently, makikita mo yung difference eh. Parang
Mm.
pag nagda-diet ka din, babawasan mo everyday yung kinakain mo. After a month, you can already see the difference, 'di ba?
Wag ka
It
lang ano,
really just, ano, wag
wag ka lang
ano.
wag ka lang mag-cheat day palagi.
Oh, kahit once a week lang
Oh,
naman. Cravings eh.
mm.
'Di ba? Parang it just really takes a small shift. Kasi if you have that small change in how you think or how you react, alam mo, after nun, parang boom na agad eh, di ba? Boom!
Mm.
May ripple
Boom!
effect na siya sa work mo.
May boom
Sa
tarot-tarot ka na diyan.
relationship. Ayan, sa relationship. And of course, sa confidence mo.
May growth mindset ka, dapat yung attitude natin is ina-align din natin.
Yes, and I think ang dami na nating na-share that's it. But I think our challenge for our listeners is I want everyone to think about your answer to this question. 'Di ba? If
Mm.
tatanungin kayo, what's one thing you can change this week to be more mindful of your mindset or your attitude? 'Di ba? It doesn't have to be big. Just one small step in the right direction.
Tama. So may pabaon kami sa inyo. So start small, but start now. Don't worry for Monday. Don't wait for the perfect timing. So your best self is unlocking through consistent small effort.
Grabe, ang daming hugot today, no? Ang dami
Kaya
nating
nga
hugot
miss eh.
today.
Mamaya hugutin ko na yung katabi ko dito eh.
But seriously, thank you for listening and hanging out with us.
Kung may natutunan kayo, feel free to share this episode sa teammate mo o sa GC ninyo. Baka ito na yung sign nila.
Haha.
Aha.
Ayan. So follow us here on Spotify and YouTube and check out our socials, L&D Confessions, Paano Kaya? Para updated kayo sa next episodes.
And correct. So this has been That's.
And L, reminding you, you can do anything you set your mind to. We'll see you next time.
See ya.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.